Hello friends, so in today's session I will discuss about the few more problems on the present worth analysis, comparing the two alternatives with equal life and the unequal lives. The first one will discuss about the two alternatives with the equal life. For example, a granite company is planning to buy a fully automated granite cutting machine. If it is purchased under down payment, the cost of the machine is rupees 16 lakh. That is, so they are purchasing uh, with the full amount, then they have to pay 16 lakh rupees their down payment. If it is purchased under installment basis, the company has to pay 25% of the total cost at the time of purchase, and the remaining amount in 10 annual equal installments of rupees 2 lakh each. Suggest the best alternative for the company using the present worth basis at I is 18% compounded annually. That is, so one alternative is a 16 lakh down payment. The amount is purchasing with the complete down payment, and other alternative is so paying 25% of this, that is 4 lakh in the beginning and 2 lakh every year for 10 years. The first alternative is 16 lakh only. The present worth of the first alternative is 16 lakh only. Okay. Whereas the second alternative is a down payment of 4 lakh rupees, that is 25% of the 16 lakh, and 10 annual installments of 2 lakh each, and the interest is 18% compounded annually. So here the present worth calculation, this is the cash flow, that is 4 lakh depositing, 4 lakh initial payment and 2 lakh every year for 10 years. This is the cash flow diagram. The present worth of the cash flow diagram is 4 lakh, because all these are cost only, therefore not necessary to use the sign. Okay, all are negative or positive only. Okay, therefore so 4 lakh, because all these are expenditure only. 4 lakh plus 2 lakh into A, the P by A. Okay, you have to convert the annuity into present value, that is P, 2 lakh into P by A, 18% 10. Okay, that value is 12 lakh 98,820. That is, if you pay 25% in the beginning and remaining every year 2 lakh rupees for 10 years, then it is a benefit, that is 12 lakh 98,820. So if you if you pay the whole 16 lakh rupees, it is a loss. The present worth is 16 lakh, whereas here the present worth is 12 lakh 98,823. Since it is a cost should be minimized. Okay, therefore here it is given the present worth of this option is 12 lakh 98,820, which is less than the first option, so the complete down payment of 16 lakh. Therefore company can select the second alternative for the fully automated granite cutting machine. Okay, this is the alternative. The next example is for the unequal life. Okay, for the following alternatives, select the best based on the present worth analysis. These two, alternative A and alternative B. Okay, alternative A with the first cost of 15 lakh and annual cost, this is also cost only. Okay, 3,500. Return at the end of the life, that is only once. Okay, at the end of future value, that is the resale value or the salvage value of this alternative A, it is 1,000 rupees. Life of the alternative 6 years for the alternative A, and for the alternative B it is 18,000 first cost, and annual cost is 3,100, and return at the end of the life is 2,000, whereas it has 9 years life. See, if alternatives with the different life, then you have to convert into equal life. Okay, because one alternative with the 6 years and one alternative with 9 years cannot be comparable. Therefore, so both alternatives should be have the same life. For that, how to convert into same so equal life by using the LCM. Okay, LCM 6 and 9 is 18 years. Okay, that means both alternatives should be studied for 18 years. Okay, same life. Alternative A to be studied for 18 years by multiplying, that is repeating for three times. For alternative B should be repeated for 5. For example, the 6 years, so the cycle 1 of A and cycle 2 of A and cycle 3 of A, that is 6 years, then repetition the same 6 years and once again 6 years. For alternative B, okay, that is so 2 cycles, that is twice, that is 9 years plus 9, 18 years will get. Okay, that is the method to comparing the alternatives with the unequal life should be converted into the equal life by using the your LCM. Okay, LCM, taking the LCM of the two alternatives. For example, the first alternative, okay, first alternative A, so minus 15 lakh, sorry, 15,000, okay, that is 3 times should be repeated, that is minus 15,000 at the beginning, okay. Here both the cost and the benefit or the revenue is considered, so that is cost is negative, minus 15,000, then minus 15,000 P by F 15% 6 years, that is so that is 6 years, so 15,000, then so 1,000 for the your 6 years, okay, so sorry, 3,500 every year for the 18 years, okay, then 1,000 after 6 years will get, then the same should be repeated here. That is 15,000, 3,500, 1,000, 15,000, 3,500 and the 1,000, like this. Therefore, here minus 15,000, there is a present value at the beginning, 0th year, then minus 15,000 into P by F 15% 6 years, this one, okay, minus 15,000 P by F, that is future value after 6 years, okay. The F that is this future is converted to present value, that is future is 15 minus 15,000 into P by F into 6 years plus 1,000, this one, okay, 1,000 P by F 15% 6 years, okay, that is once first cycle. Then second cycle is minus 15,000 minus 15,000 P by F 15% 12 years, this one, okay. Next plus 1,000 P by F 15% 12, okay, this one. Next last 1,000 P by F 15% 18, okay, plus. And throughout this the 18 years the same amount, that is 3,500 into P by A, okay, A, that is converting the A into P, that is P by A 15% 18 years throughout this. So therefore the cost is 45,036, that is minus is the cost, okay, 45,036, that is it is studied for this alternative is studied for 18 years, okay, 6 years, next 6 years, and next, that is 12 plus 6, that is 18 years, okay. The same thing, 15,000 at the beginning, and 6 years 3,500, then 1,000 after at the end of the 6 years. Then from the 6th year once again the same thing should be repeated, the second cycle, next third cycle, 3,500, sorry, 15,000, then the 3,500, 1,000 for alternative A. For the second alternative, for B, so that is 9 years, it should be repeated twice, okay, the first cycle and second cycle, okay. First cycle of B is so 18,000 investment, initial investment, and 3,100 every year for 9 years, then the 2,000 at the end of the, so that return will get the 2,000 rupees at the end of the your 9 years, okay. Then second cycle once again, after at the end of the 9 year, once again 18,000 investment, okay, then 3,100 for next 9 years, then 2,000 at the end of 9 years, that is 18th year, okay. Twice it should be repeated. So therefore it is minus 18,000, that is the present value at the 0th time, minus 18,000 P by F 15% 9, this one, okay. So that is 18 after 9 years, okay, minus 18,000, that is future value converted to present value 15% 9 years, plus 2,000 into 15% P by F 15% 9 years, okay. Then plus 2,000 at the end of 18th year, okay, P by F 15% 18, minus 3,000 throughout the 18 years, minus 3,100 P by A 15% 18. So it is minus 41,384, okay. Compared to these two, the cost of the associated with the B is less compared to A, therefore B is selected. For A it is 45,036, whereas 41,384, therefore the B is